Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the 5-point star. This pattern is worked in a spiral, so do not join at the end of each round. Start with a slip knot. Chain 2. Work 5 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. Make sure you have 5 single crochets. And then working into the first chain, make 3 single crochets. And mark the first stitch from that. We're going to put 3 single crochets in the last 4 stitches. You should have 15 stitches, including the one that the stitch marker is in. Perfect. We're going to remove our stitch marker. Into the next stitch that our stitch marker was just removed from, we're going to insert our hook and do a single crochet. Chain 6. You should have 15 stitches, including the one that the stitch marker is in. Perfect. We're going to remove our stitch marker. Into the next stitch that our stitch marker was just removed from, we're going to insert our hook and do a single crochet. Chain 6. I'm going to put a stitch marker into the single crochet that we made before we chained 6. Now, in the second chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. In the next chain, make a single crochet. In the next chain, make a half double crochet. In the next chain, make a double crochet. In the next chain, which should be your last one, you're going to make a treble crochet, or triple. We're going to make one more triple crochet into that stitch that we've been working into. We're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and into the 3rd stitch we're going to single crochet. Chain 6 again. Insert your hook into the 2nd chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. Into the next chain, we'll do a single crochet. Into the next chain, we'll do a half double crochet. Into the next chain, we'll do a double crochet. Into the next chain, we'll do a triple crochet. And then at the base, again, like the last time, we're going to work a treble crochet into the same stitch we've been working into. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet into that 3rd stitch. We're going to do this 3 more times, and I will see you at the end. we're going to slip stitch into our very first single crochet. Fasten off your work. I think it came out quite alright. And that is your 5-point star. I hope you like and subscribe.